Good morning, YouTubers. How y'all doing? Welcome back to another episode. I appreciate everybody's support. This channel wouldn't be anything without you, the viewers, because I probably would have stopped doing it. But like I said before, I appreciate everybody. We've had some really good conversations. I've had some great people message me, and it's been a lot of fun so far. There's times where it gets frustrating. But you just keep motoring on. So let's get through that intro, and we're going to talk about what's in the thumbnail, which is the A-body selection. Be right back. Alrighty, we got through that intro. Get the little swig of juice here. What are we going to talk about? We are going to talk about the selection we made from the questions that you guys all put in my question to you guys, and you guys put answers in the comments. Let's get that right. On what should be the next A-body buddy / group build that myself and Kenny over at K-Dogs Model Garage are co-hosting. And I thought about it. I'm thinking, well, I want to get another zombie done for mine and Paul's build. I have my Acme builds, plus I have my truck over here. And I thought, you know what? Let's get something that I know I can get done in a little bit better managed time frame. So, it come down to 2 kits out of all 6 of those. And the first one that was a good pick, and even on my list, was the 72 Duster re-release deal. And then the other one, which was very popular, which was the 64 Barracuda, the Craftsman Plus kit. So I made a decision based off of my timeline and based off of a comment that my good buddy Joe from Big Sky did. And he's right. So I can participate in more by this kit. So let me flip this camera around, and I'm going to show you the end result. All right. This should be no surprise, but there we go. We're going to do the 72 Duster. Simply for the fact is that I already know what I need to do to the chassis right away. I can save some time there, being that I've have a Demon in process. That's another A-body build. And I can quickly get this chassis addressed. I have to just go and look for some decal sheets. So I'm kind of on the fence on the color right now. So I'm going to probably try and get on eBay or Slicks Decals today and look for some decal sheets to see which way we'll go with the color. Because we're going to go with like a stock eliminator or a bracket car type deal. So the fact that we're going to do it that way, not only will this qualify for my group build, this will qualify for Joe's Super 70 group build, which was what he advised in the comments. And also, Joe and Tiffany are co-hosting the Glory Days of Drag Racing group build. So I can get 3 group builds out of this one build. I'm going to be ecstatic to build this build, which is what I try to do, is align my builds that I personally want to do with people's group builds to help participate in the community. And this is, to me, is a win-win. The other thing that the Barracuda, I definitely want to do the Barracuda, but with that big back window, it was going to take me more time to get the detail cleanliness of the wheel tubs and stuff like that done on the Barracuda with that big back window. That big back window is a huge focal point, and so I just figured, well, due to the time constraints, plus this thing qualifies for quite a few group builds, let's go with this Duster. So we're going to do that. I can tell you right now, the Duster will have the stripe on it because that's what a stock eliminator, even a bracket car, a lot of them back in the days, they still represented the stripe. We are going to have a 340 in it, so it's going to be a small block car. I'm very excited to do that. I have like intakes and stuff like that already printed, and parts from VCG Resins will go into this kit because I have a bunch of Josh Reese's parts. So all of those parts are going to go onto this motor to make it period correct. And then the only thing that I have to do is the old vintage wheels that are still current. And we're probably going to go with the Bogart or a motor wheel fly type wheel on this thing. I'm not a centerline guy. I just never have been a centerline guy. So I got to do something that has a little bit of pizzazz. It was torn between like the Bogart style deal or like a Keystone wheel or a Cragar SS. To me, the Cragar SS is more of a street wheel than anything, so that's more of a street machine wheel, versus the Keystones were very popular on a lot of the Plymouth cars. The Keystones were seen on a lot of the drag cars in the 70s, so that and the center line. But that's what we're going to go with, and I think that's going to be really cool, really neat package. So really the only thing I got to iron out here now is what color we're going to do it and how we're going to do the stickers. So I'm kind of leaning towards a bunch of contingency stickers along the bottom here, and I want to see if, you know, maybe there's like a name or something that we could name the car, and if there's something that I can find that could possibly dictate what the color is. Otherwise, I do have two colors on the top of my head to do it from some cars that I've seen in one-to-one over many years. But I want to double check on slicks and stuff and see what kind of decals are out there, and we might get a little creative, and whatever colors match a name, if we find, we'll probably paint the overall body that. But this is gonna be a lot of fun. I should be able to get this done in a timely manner and have another killer build here for the A-Body buddy / group build that me and K-Dog are co-hosting. Also for Joe's Super 70s group build, and also for Tiffany Dirt Road Cinderella and Joe Big Sky Model Workshop's Glory Days of Drag Racing. So we'll do a nice little simple street, you know, stock eliminator / bracket car. Just something really cool. Probably just do like a 6-point roll bar in it, because you're probably going to be looking at, say, you know, mid to low 11-second style car build. You know, you don't need a bunch of crazy stuff on there, and just a nice, fun little deal. So very cool. It's going to be cool to have this thing done, and we're going to go from there. So let's flip this back around. Well, there you have it. Again, thank you for everybody that participated in the selection. The Barracuda will definitely be in sometime in the future. Realistically, probably sometime after the Acme show in October is when we probably have time to do that. I have, like I said, I have a couple that I want to try and debut down at Acme. So they're going to take quite a bit of time here. Also, go over there. I got some dirt up here. Go over and check out Tiffany over at the Dirt Road Cinderella. If you got any kind of information on the Glory Days of Drag Racing Group Build, or you can also message Joe over at Big Sky Model Workshop. If you got any questions about either the Glory Days Group Build or the Super 70s Group Build that he is also doing. And then if you have questions on the A-Body Buddy / Group Build, feel free to reach out to myself or my co-host Kenny over at K-Dog's Model Garage. All of those people are great people, and we have a blast. We all watch each other's videos and just enjoy each other's creativity, and everybody is very open to answer questions. So have a good day, everybody. and enjoy it. I'm going to definitely enjoy it. It's starting to get warmer. I can hear chainsaws out there. So the neighbors are out. People are starting to do yard work. So see you on the next one, everybody. Peace out. And we may go live. We'll see how that works, but I'd like to try and get live sometime either today or tomorrow. Get back on some of that other builds, and we can also talk about model stuff as I'm building RC cars. So if you're an RC guy and you're watching this, keep an eye out. You never know when those lives are going to pop up for the RC stuff. So see you all later.